carefully. She's wearing a beautiful canary yellow gown, shoulder drop. But if you watch closely, this is very typical of Edgar Santiago. Edgar is an artist. He paints his creation and then prints it to the fabric. So ladies and gentlemen, this is an original print, but created as a painting by Edgar Santiago.
Very nice.
Beautiful shoulder drop gown with the Maria Clara sleeves.
Nice.
Next we have Annie Goodman.
We give you Our Lady in Red, who collected all your payment before the evening started tonight. Our lovely model here wearing